Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a box length, width and height, both inside and outside dimensions. Length is the longest side on the top opening. Width is the shorter side perpendicular to length. Height or depth is measured vertically from the base to the top. Use a ruler or tape measure. Lay the box flat and keep the tool straight. No angles, no slants. Step 1. Measure length, the longest side of the box top opening. Rotate the box, measure width, the shorter side, perpendicular to length. Step 3. Close the flaps and measure height from the base to the top surface. Next, we measure inside dimensions with box open for product fit and outside dimensions with box closed for shipping and storage. Write dimensions as length by width by height, include unit, centimeter or inch, and specify type, inside or outside. Common mistakes: missing width and height, measuring at an angle, forgetting units, always measure twice, and step perpendicular. Hope you found this helpful. Please like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more tutorials. See you next time!